Hey guys, Huawei has finally taken the reps off the Huawei Nova 3 and Nova 3i smartphones in China today. Unlike the earlier smartphones in this series, which were essentially mid-rangers, the company has boosted the new Nova 3 model with the flagship AI-enabled Kirin 970 chipset inside. Not just that, the phone supports the recently announced GPU turbo technology as well, making it a power-packed smartphone for a pretty aggressive price tag. As for the design, Huawei has decided to stick with glass on the new model, like its recent releases. So, the Huawei Nova 3 comes with 3D double curved glass on both the sides. The glass at the back features high refractive index and comes in 4 color options: black, light blue, primrose gold, and blue violet. Up front, you have a notch which houses a number of sensors, like ambient light, proximity, IR light sensor for 3D face recognition, dual cameras on either sides, and earpiece. So, it's bigger than some notch phones like the OnePlus 6. The Huawei Nova 3 is quite loaded in terms of specs. The phone features a large 6.3-inch display, with 19.5 by 9 aspect ratio, and 2340 by 1080 resolution. The phone supports IR face unlocks, and even 3D face recognition payments. Note that there's a fingerprint sensor on the back as well. The front camera is made up of a 24MP f2.0 sensor along with a secondary 2MP sensor. The front camera supports AI features, as well as an enhanced beauty mode. The rear camera is composed of a 16MP plus 24MP dual camera setup, with f1.8 aperture lens, contrast AF, AI scene recognition, and more. This is said to bring HDR mode in the preview window, as well as while shooting videos. As for the hardware inside, the Nova 3 boasts of the flagship Kirin 970 chipset inside, with 6GB of RAM and 64GB and 128GB of internal storage options. The storage can be further expanded up to 256GB with microSD. There's a pretty decent 3750 mAh battery inside, that should last up to a day, as well as a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack. Note that the phone comes with support for GPU turbo, which should ensure smooth gaming experience on its large screen. Other notable features of the Nova 3 include 3D emoji AR support, Android 8.1 based EMUI 8.2, USB Type-C, and dual SIM support. It's worth mentioning that some of the features like 3D face recognition payments and AI short video effects will not be available at launch. Instead, these features will roll out in future updates. The Nova 3 is priced at 2,999 yuan for the 6GB, plus 128GB edition, for all the 4 colors. Note that the Primrose Gold is a special edition model, but the pricing remains the same. It could be a limited edition model. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.